Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple at-home sensory bin. All you need is 2 ingredients. You need all-purpose flour and baby oil. So the recipe calls for 3 cups of flour. I put my flour in a bowl so it's a little easier for children to scoop out instead of dumping the bag. Alright, so we have to count. Okay. Oops. We have 1. Whoa, that's almost too full. Always have to remember to use your hand and smooth out the top. 1. Okay. 2. And 3. Alright, so we have our 3 cups of flour. It's okay if you're a little off. Okay, set that aside. And you can kind of smooth out your flour, talk with the kids about the texture, how it's light, it's soft, it's kind of almost feels fluffy. And you can kind of smooth it in. Now, if you want to make it into a sensory bin where they can mold it and turn it into different things like a sandcastle or cupcakes, whatever they feel like making, you just need to add some baby oil. We recommend adding 1 tablespoon at a time until you have the consistency that you're happy with. My favorite thing about baby oil is that it brings in a lovely scent. It smells lovely and it makes this cloud dough very soft. I'm going to add 2 because I usually start with 2. Okay. As you can see, it's in there, and I just have to mix it in. I'm going to use my fingers because it's okay if we get a little messy. Okay. Oh, I'm noticing my flour is changing a little bit as I do this. Now it's kind of sticking together, almost like little clumps. That's getting closer for me to be able to make different kinds of things. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Alright, let's see what a 3rd tablespoon does. Okay, oh, I can smell it. It smells nice and clean. There, I like it when if I squeeze it and then it stays, see? It doesn't change. That's when I know it's kind of it became a moldable material. Now the fun starts. Some things at home, maybe if you have Play-Doh molding tools in your kid's Play-Doh kit, like this, you can use that with this material. Just fill it up, like so. And then you can kind of make a flat spot. And then tap it. Oh, I packed mine a little too tight. Oh, there it comes. Voila! There's my mold. If you don't have Play-Doh molds, that's okay. You can get cups. This is a lot bigger than this one. I might end up using all my Play-Doh, but that's okay. Or all my cloud dough, I mean. Just pack it a little bit. I can use my hand as a shovel. Or if you have mini shovels at home, that could be something that you add. Okay. Let's see what we make. Okay. And voila, it kept its shape. So that's one way you can make cloud dough at home. If you don't have flour or you don't want to use your flour, there's another trick I'm going to share with you. Let's set these aside. That was kind of messy. The flour is usually pretty easy to clean up. Another simple trick is cake mix. Cake mix already has that consistency, so all you have to do is find your favorite flavor and dump it in. Fun thing about this is, I guess it's edible if you want to. Like your fingers when you're done playing.